and welcome to the Monday Assembly. Now, this is a little bit different. We don't usually do a Monday Assembly on Easter holidays, since this week and next week are technically Easter holidays. But I thought that I would continue to do my Monday challenges, and I would continue to do a Friday celebrations, and the celebrations will be more about those who have participated during the week with the challenge that I set. Now, the teachers this week won't be posting many lessons because it is the holidays and we want you to have a little bit of a rest. But we do know that you might be getting a bit bored. So the teachers have posted a lot of challenges for you as well in their classes. So make sure you check those Easter challenges that the teachers have set. Okay, are you ready for what the challenge is going to be? Okay, so as you can see, it's going to be an Easter challenge. And not just any Easter challenge, it's going to be the Easter Bonnet Challenge. Every year for the last few years, we have been having an Easter Bonnet Parade for our nursery reception in Key Stage 1. But this year, we just didn't get to do it. So, instead, I thought we could have an Easter Bonnet Parade, a virtual Easter Bonnet Parade, for everybody in the school. Now, Easter bonnet is a hat, and you've seen some pictures of some children we had in the last few years who have made some amazing Easter bonnets, amazing hats. This year, if you want to make an Easter bonnet and you don't have a hat, it's easy to do. You can make a headband. All you need to do is take a couple of pieces of paper, glue them together, tape them together, then put them around your head, as such, just like I'm doing to the bear. And then you then add Easter eggs and Easter flowers and anything that has to do with Easter around the headband that you make. And then the key is for you to post a picture. Now, sometimes some children may not like to have their picture on the internet, and that's okay. If you're going to make an Easter bonnet, why don't you maybe put it on one of your stuffed animals, like my friend the bear here? Or maybe you could put it on your dog or your cat. I don't think my pets, the gerbils, will like to have an Easter bonnet on their head, but just be creative. Take pictures of your Easter bonnets and make sure that you send them via Twitter to us so that we can get them to be put into a big Easter bonnet parade that we're going to have on Friday, right? So the challenge, make an Easter bonnet or a headband, an Easter headband, post a picture on Twitter to me, and then I'm going to have a big virtual Easter bonnet parade on Friday. Okay, now, time to get working.